Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to enable and use Slack's conversation export feature. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First off, sign into your Slack workspace. The reason we do this is because the export feature can only be accessed by workspace owners, and you need to be logged in to perform this action. Once you're logged in, click on your workspace name at the top left corner, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Administration, then Workspace Settings. Now that we've done that, we're in the right place to enable the export feature. In the Workspace Settings, find the Compliance Exports section. Here, choose Edit, and then select Enable Compliance Exports. This helps us because it activates the feature that allows you to export all conversation data from your workspace, including private messages and channels. Let me explain why this matters. By enabling compliance exports, you are ensuring that all conversations in your workspace are archived and can be retrieved whenever needed. This is crucial. For example, if your organization needs to adhere to certain compliance standards, or if you need to reference past conversations for context. Next up, once you've enabled the feature, you'll need to wait for Slack to prepare your data for export. This process could take a few hours to a few days, depending on the size of your workspace. Now, once the data is ready, go back to the Compliance Exports section, click on Start Export, and then Confirm. Your data will be downloaded as a zip file. The reason we do this is to gather all the conversation data into a structured, easy-to-analyze format. Inside the zip file, you'll find .json files for each channel, direct message, private group, or multi-person message that you've decided to export. Finally, to view the exported data, you'll need to unzip the file and open the .json files using a text editor or a JSON viewer. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each .json file represents a conversation thread with all the messages and their metadata. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and used Slack's conversation export feature. This will help you keep track of all the conversations in your workspace, ensure compliance, and provide a valuable resource for referencing past discussions. Thanks for joining us today. Remember to stay tuned to our channel for more practical guides like this. Until then, happy Slacking.